Wukang building and I've spotted a baker and spice. So I've had to come in, I've got myself a nice latte, a nice ham and cheese sandwich. Hey!
I mean, I have never in my entire life seen a view like that.
My name is Jason, I'm from England and I've lived in China for 10 years.
It is just a beautiful day today in Shanghai. So over here is the actual building where the meeting took place. There's a guy who's a little bit busy there on the phone, taking a photo for his girlfriend there. It goes on as far as the eye can see. I mean, if China is not the future, then I don't know what is.
I'm standing on a helipad on top of one of the tallest buildings in Shanghai.
When is the helicopter coming?
Yeah, it'll be here soon. It's coming.
And where is it taking us? Taking us back to England, is it?
Anywhere we want to go, mate.
Look at that guy over there. It's the one and only, the infamous Lee Barrett. You can see the paparazzi here. We've got another paparazzi here. And just look at this. Take a look at this. Welcome back to another video, by the way. If you're new to the channel, then my name is Jason, aka Batman Cobra, aka Mr. Isa. Now, look at this kind of view. I mean, that is just insane. Look at that. Is that not the future? Is this the year 3000 or something? What on earth is going on here? So I'm joined here by Freya from CRI Online.
Yes.
And can you tell us what's happening here today?
Okay, hello guys, my name is Freya and we are hold opening ceremony today, and look at this.
Yeah, wow. It's some kind of paparazzi photo shoot here.
And look at Jason.
Oh wow, look at me. How do I look?
He's so handsome today.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm about to do a speech, so I'm kind of a little bit nervous. I'm not that good at public speaking. I'm gonna give it my best try.
But you can do it.
Yes.
Believe you.
加油. I mean, look at this city here. Look at that. Take a look at that. And then over here, we have the one and only, the infamous Lee Barrett.
Hi Jason, how you doing?
From the Barrett channel. Now, he's part of the channel, father and son channel, yeah. Lee and Ollie Barrett. Ollie is actually, he's not here today, so I will be taking the place of Ollie on the Barrett channel.
You're my
and
Ollie.
that will be a permanent position from now on.
Yeah, you're my Ollie on this trip, right?
Yes, Ollie's off gallivanting somewhere around China.
He's in Gansu.
Ah, right. Yeah. So Ollie, I've now taken your position on the Barrett channel. So, welcome back to the Barrett channel.
Welcome to another video.
I'm slightly nervous now because of my speech. Actually, I don't have my piece of paper. Someone has my piece of paper. Look over there. This is the behind the scenes channel of the Barretts. The one and only Lee Barrett there. Look at him go there. He's trying to avoid me.
Look at your fan.
Oh, hi guys. Welcome back to the Barrett channel. My name is Ollie Barrett. We do videos about China. Oh, I need to get a coffee. That's what Ollie says,
yeah,
right?
He does, so we're going to do the ceremony and then we're going up to the top and outside apparently.
We're going outside?
Yeah.
Wow, I hope they have a helicopter waiting for us.
Yeah.
For the trip back.
That'd be cool.
Right? That would be good. Are you doing a speech?
No, not today. I did the basics.
You somehow got out of the speech. I tried to get out of it, but I've been forced to do a speech.
So we'll record that.
You'll record it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll record it.
Just cut out the bits where I look bad.
3、2、1。打卡中国你好长三角活动正式拉开帷幕。The Dakar China Hello Yangtze River Delta activity is now officially underway. 接下来我们将从上海出发，共同感受长三角的开放。
Hello everyone, my name is Jason, I'm from England and I've lived in China for 10 years. Before I came to China, I barely knew anything about this country, and all my sources of information about China was from Western media. And most of what I heard was negative. Until I actually came to China myself and saw China with my own eyes, I realized Western media's description of China is completely inaccurate. My wife is from a small city in Guizhou province, and during this past decade, I witnessed the incredible speed at which China can improve and develop. As many of you may know, there are just huge mountains popping up everywhere in Guizhou province, and it is quite a difficult terrain to deal with. But did that stop China? No. They constructed these massive bridges, tunnels, expressways, and high-speed rail traversing this vast mountainous region. To be able to witness this myself, this kind of development is quite remarkable in such a short period of time, improving millions of people's lives throughout the region and lifting many out of poverty. Today we're gathered here to celebrate the next phase of China's development, the integrated development of the Yangtze River Delta region, consisting of the metropolis of Shanghai, the provinces of Zhejiang, Jiangsu, and Anhui. I'm very looking forward to seeing this next phase of development and building on this already economic powerhouse that will be one of the most influential and robust driving forces of this country's development. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Wow. We're heading onto the rooftop now of this building. We're heading on the rooftop of the building's called Magnolia. Wow, oh my god. Wow, just look at this. We're on the roof here. Look behind me here. There's a helipad there. That's where my helicopter will be coming later to pick me up and take me back to Guizhou province on an exclusive VIP flight. I'm just waiting on the helicopter now. It's been quite a while, so I don't know where it is. But just look at this. We're on top of a huge skyscraper here. It's called Baiyulan Dashan, Magnolia Tower in Shanghai. I think we're on like the 69th floor or something. And I mean, just look at this view. It is just magnificent. Dare I say it, it is Hao Guan. Look at this. Just take a look at this. I mean, I have never in my entire life seen a view like that. The city, this metropolis, it goes on as far as the eye can see. I mean, if China is not the future, then I don't know what is. Just look at that. It's insane. From every direction, as far as the eye can see. Look, I mean this direction, look over there. You can't see the end of it. It is just city, and then some more city. I mean, it's amazing. It's an amazing place. Man, it's just crazy. It's crazy. Look, you've got all these vloggers here trying to get the best vlog. Where's the infamous Lee Barrett? Let's try and track down. Where is Barrett? Ah, he's over there. The infamous, the one and only Lee Barrett, aka Li Ning. He always wears Li Ning, aka Li Ning. Look, there he is. There's the one and only Lee Barrett there. He's got a coffee in hand.
One of the things I believe that China really
just
needs to start doing more
talking to some people there. Leave him to it. Wow. How is this even possible? How is this possible even? Got Italian vlogger there, Rachel and Luca. Go check them out. Wow, look at that. Look at that. I'm just always impressed by it. I could stare at it for like hours. There we have Saul there, just doing his thing, making a vlog. Has 500,000 followers on Weibo. Go and check him out. He's also from the UK. Have some more vloggers there, all trying to get the best vlog. They've all got their own individual cameramen. Unfortunately, I don't have a cameraman, but everyone knows my vlog's the best at the end of the day. What can I say? We have Martin there, another vlogger. We have a cameraman there. And then we have some another vlogger here. I think he may be Italian. Look at all the paps around here. There's the infamous Lee Barrett there, the one and only.
I'm standing on a helipad on top of one of the tallest buildings in Shanghai.
When is the helicopter coming?
Yeah, it'll be here soon. It's coming.
And where is it taking us? Taking us back to England, is it?
Anywhere we want to go, mate.
I've been up here for about 20 minutes. I'm still just flabbergasted. I'm dumbfounded. I mean, I just love this kind of view. I feel like I'm in the future. You know the movie Looper? They actually filmed it here in Shanghai. And also the movie Her with Joaquin Phoenix was filmed in Shanghai for the sole reason that it looks like the future. I'm just truly impressed by Shanghai. There's Lee Barrett there. Just look at him trying to figure out how to get the best.
One more here.
He's
I'm
trying
just
to
getting those selfies, you know.
For the thumbnail.
Done in it, yeah. Maybe for a thumbnail, maybe just to show off.
He's trying to figure out how to get the best thumbnail there.
I am.
You can see the mastermind behind the Barrett channel there, just trying to figure out the greatest thumbnail for his videos.
You're making me nervous now, Jason. You know what'll happen, right? Because when I film on my own, Ollie normally directs the proceedings, and he'll always moan at me when he's editing. He goes, "Oh, you ain't got a good shot of
Why
this,
did you film that? Why did you do this?"
I generally overdo it with the footage. I'll have like gigabytes and gigabytes.
Look at this here. We're just on the ground floor of this building, and you can actually register to get your vaccination here. So I mean, it shows you the efforts that China is going to get everyone vaccinated, and that's just in the corner of this building that we're in. We're actually here. Freya is going to tell us, where are we? We're in the...
Guys, this place is the founding of the Communist Party of China.
This is where they had the first meeting to form the CPC, right?
Yes, and the Chinese name is 中共一大.
中共一大. So over here is the actual building where the meeting took place. Inside this building here. This is where the actual first ever meeting of the CPC took place, inside those walls there. Wow. There's a little kid there taking a picture. Some kind of record pressing machine here. There we have the one and only, the infamous Lee Barrett inspecting the records, makes records. And we are here at the EMI building, and this is where China's national anthem was actually recorded. So this is the actual building that China's national anthem was recorded in, the March of the Volunteers. And it was recorded in 1935. Wow. It is just a beautiful day today in Shanghai. Look at this little coffee shop that we found. Wow, it looks like we're in the middle of Paris somewhere. Look at this place. It's quite lovely.
And I've spotted a baker and spice. I've had to come in. I've got myself a nice latte, a nice ham and cheese sandwich. Hey, who's this in the background? This side, look.
Hello there. Hi there, guys.
You know this guy, right?
Hi there, guys. I'm Matt. I'm Matt from Jiao Nation.
I've got a banana.
Jiao, guys.
You need a banana, not a banana.
There's a guy who's a little bit busy there on the phone, taking a photo for his girlfriend there. Seems like he's kind of tired of it, to be honest with you. Busy guy, eh? Here we have a very famous building here in Shanghai. It's called a Wukang Mansion, Wukang building here. It was designed by the Hungarian Slovak architect Laszlo Hudek and completed in 1924. The building has been residence of many celebrities. So you can actually see up there, I don't know if that is indeed a celebrity there on the balcony. The guy's looking down on the peasants here, and everyone's taking pictures at this renowned apartment site in Shanghai. It's very easy. There's the good old police there, serving and protecting the people of this place. There's the one and only, the infamous Lee Barrett once again. He's planning his next video, planning his next move, the mastermind behind the Barrett channel.
I'm recording a little Douyin.
You're recording a Douyin?
I am.
Wow. Okay, so that's the end of the video. If you want to help me out in this video, press like, and I will see you in the next one. Signing off. And Freya has something to say.
Yeah, bye bye. See you later.
And I say signing off.
Signing off.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.